Look at you celebrating like the game's been won. This is only the beginning of the end.
All right, kinda cryptic, Shadow. You wanna elaborate on that one?
I'm no longer satisfied simply taking vengeance on that lackwit Eggman. I want revenge on this whole pathetic universe. That's why I took those mustached fools to a secret location.
With both Eggmen in this dimension, there will be a catastrophic anomaly that'll destroy our entire universe.
Now you're catching on. So long, fools. Forever.
Oh no! The anomaly's already beginning!
We gotta find those Eggmen. Fast!
If I can piece Metal Sonic back together, I might be able to use his built-in homing beacon to lead us to Eggman.
Great. Tails, you're on that. Everyone else, let's get searching.
Just one last tweak, and the Eggman homing beacon should be active. Hey, wait! Sonic, Metal's beacon is honed in on Eggman, but he's moving too fast. I can't keep up!
Thankfully, I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. Lord Eggman, you need to leave our dimension.
I'll never forget you, friend. Yeah, just get out of here.
Yeah!
I'm not thrilled with the results, but I must admit I'm impressed with how you saved the universe. I'll be back, Sonic, but next time on my terms.
Well, I almost caused the end of the world, but it was all worth it. I got great yoke capture footage for my video game.
About that, during the catastrophic anomaly, your evil lair was struck by lightning. All of your mocap files were destroyed.
Well, there's always next season.